Sukshmadashini movie summary in English. Let's begin. Priyadashini alias Priya, a homemaker on a desperate job hunting, lives with her husband Anthony and their daughter Kani in a close-knit community. Priya and her neighbor Steffi, a single mother, do well in their technical interviews for the same company. Concurrently, Manuel, who runs his father's business Grace Bakers, moves into their neighborhood with her widowed, aged mother Grace. Though Manuel gets along well with all the neighbors, Priya believes that he is rather a shady person. Her suspicions indeed turn out to be true when he kills and monitor lizard and feeds it to his neighbors in a party under the guise of beef. He conspires to murder someone, apparently Grace, with his uncle Roy and his cousin Dr. John, while Grace remains cloistered and avoids communication with any of the neighbors. Amidst a party hosted on the account of Priya and Anthony's wedding anniversary, a minor fire accident occurs at Manuel's residence due to a clothes iron left switched on and Grace goes missing. Manuel lodges a police complaint and they eventually find Grace in a railway station. At this point of time, everyone discovers that Grace has been diagnosed with Alzheimer's, but Priya distrusts the claim since she has always seen Grace carrying out her daily chores efficiently and confides in Sulu and Asma, her friends and neighbors. Meanwhile, Steffi grows close to Manuel and offers to take a day off on one day to look after Grace in Manuel's absence. Before departing, Manuel makes a sedated mango juice for Grace and Steffi to execute their plan as per John's advice. Roy waits outside the residence for Grace and Steffi to fall unconscious, so as to take her away, but Priya visits Grace to clear her suspicions. Learning this, Manuel manipulates Anthony to task Priya with searching for a caretaker's contact urgently, clearing his way. Soon, Steffi sleeps due to sedation and Roy covertly carries Grace out of the house in his car. She is claimed to have gone missing once again. Manuel's elder sister Diana arrives from New Zealand to assist Manuel in the chaos and put their land on sale but is disappointed with lack of progress in the police investigation and decides to return. Priya earns Diana's contact before she departs. On the same night, Priya is shocked to see Grace in their residence but Manuel tells Anthony that she is still missing. Next night, Priya sneaks into their residence in Manuel's absence, asking Asma and Sulu to keep a watch and alert her if someone comes. John, who happens to be inside the residence, sees Priya climbing the walls and panic-stricken, calls Manuel to inform him about the same. Manuel rushes home, catches Priya red-handed and cautions her against doing this again. Elsewhere, John is shown pouring aqua regia into the toilet, allegedly disposing of Grace's remains, but Manuel notices a leakage as he observes a crimson damp patch on a wall, blood. He paints it and places sacks to cover the patch, further raising Priya's suspicion. Unexpectedly, Manuel brings Grace home and the group retreats from their suspicions. However, Priya remains unsettled and contacts Diana, but it is revealed that Manuel has Diana's phone and has been texting Priya, impersonating his sister. On the day of her second interview, Priya goes through Diana's Instagram profile and realizes that she is a lesbian. She is in a relationship with a Tamil woman Aditi Thyagarajan, with whom she intended to adopt a kid in New Zealand. Simultaneously, Aditi arrives in India, concerned that Diana hasn't returned to New Zealand and has been refraining from talking to her suddenly. Priya realizes that Manuel, Roy and John actually murdered Diana to avoid shame due to her sexuality and Grace is the mastermind behind the honor killing. Priya abandons her interview and contacts Aditi but is too late as Manuel sedates her and carries her away, intending to kill her. She discovers that the sample she has collected from the painted damp patch contains human bone cells from her biologist friend. Priya tracks them to their new bakery outlet and informs the police, but before they could come, Manuel spots Priya and tries to attack her, but she hits him with her car and subdues John, rescuing Aditi. The crime gets exposed and Manuel, Grace, John and Roy are apprehended by the police and the truth stuns the whole neighborhood.